Our performance task for this unit is a nonfiction narrative podcast. So for our performance task, what we're creating, Denver Public Schools is looking for podcasts made by students about their cultures and communities. The school district has discovered that they need more knowledge on Colorado communities and the individuals within the communities, since the population is changing so quickly. This knowledge will allow the district to choose programs and curriculums that are closely connected to the local population of Colorado and the Denver area. Denver Public Schools has asked our fourth grade class to create podcasts that inform listeners about individual cultures and how they connect with larger communities. How you'll create your work. You will record a podcast that is informative and creative, educating listeners on your culture and the cultures within your community. The podcast is a nonfiction narrative with clearly presented information and event sequences, as well as a combination of real and imagined experiences. Denver Public Schools will be reviewing your work. They are excited to hear what you have learned about creating a nonfiction narrative and how you will communicate your culture and its impact on your community. They hope to share the podcast with families in the school district, as well as teachers working with students. To create your podcast, you must do research within your family and community. This process will help you gain more information about the cultural identities and history that have shaped others. You will be creating a nonfiction narrative about your life and your experience of culture using real and imagined events. In your narrative, you will develop a character based on your own cultural identity. The character's interactions with others will be based on your learning. Your podcast must reflect knowledge of your own culture and history. The interaction of your characters should demonstrate empathy and respect for one another. Focus on factual information and events, but also create imagined situations that include descriptive details and clear sequence of events. Be as creative as you'd like. Examples of narratives. Each lesson will include examples of nonfiction narratives. We will use narratives available through Overdrive, participate in interactive read-alouds, watch videos, and listen to podcasts. We will be exposed to so many examples of nonfiction narratives throughout this unit. All stories and subjects will vary in order to help your creative process and inspire ideas. If you'd like to start listening to some podcasts, do research and talk to adults at home about podcasts you can listen to. Here's a link from one of my favorite podcasts who made a page for kid-friendly episodes. Hover your cursor over the link to click on it. Happy listening!